Hey everybody, Jeff Casimir here. It's been a week since I've done a video. No, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. But it is wintry mix weather here in Chicago, and so I've been kind of snuggled up in the office to get some work done, and I wanted to punch out another video here. And so let me get some of the particulars out of the way, and I'll talk about what the topic is. So I have been making money online now for 19 years as an affiliate marketer, network marketer, website owner, home business owner, make money online expert, coaching expert, and Forex trader for 19 years. It's probably got most of the topics on there. And if you're interested in knowing more about me, if this is your first time here, by all means, we have a newsletter. You can subscribe down there. If you're interested in watching some more videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the content of this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the content, thumbs down. Please leave comments there. You can share it. Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. I am a Forex trader with IMarketsLive, and I also do part of the recruiting opportunity that IMarketsLive has. So I enjoy both avenues. 90% of the members of IMarketsLive are just customers trading and making money. There's 10% of us that like to do both. I have a lot of experience in the network marketing community, and I like helping as many people as possible. So if you're interested in finding out about our specific iMarketsLive group, we have the #1 group in the company. It's no fluff. It's no nonsense. We do have the #1 recruiter who's in charge of our group. And the reason he's the #1 recruiter is because, not because he recruits a lot of people, because he does, it's because those people stay and they learn and they make money. And we do a ton of additional training on trading Forex inside of our group. So if you're interested in getting inside the group, you got to send me a friend request at me, and I will get you inside of our group right away. So just reach out to me, send me a friend request, and I will get you inside. No cost. You can look around as long as you want. We've got people that have been in there 3 months, and then 3 months in one day, they decide to become a customer. So we share lots of great stuff in our particular group. And then once you actually become a customer of our team, then we add you to a different group, which is just our customers. And you will see additional training. We've got training on Mondays. We have a Forex Friday where some of our leaders get on board and help do additional training and answer questions. The IMarketsLive membership in itself is absolutely fantastic, and there's so much training and learning that you can do to change your life, and that's why we're here, okay? The topic of this video is one of the strategies that was been introduced a couple months ago, and it's called the Gold Cup. And I am going to minimize this screen and pull this one up. So it's called the Gold Cup, and there are 2 specific strategies inside the Gold Cup back office. Okay, so there are 2 strategies involved. Now, for people who are familiar with swipe trades and swipecoin, really more so swipe trades, is you can set your app to get lots of alerts. So you can get lots of trade ideas that you can put in and make money, close profits, make lots of pips. Okay, with the Gold Cup strategy, and really a little bit of swipecoin, some similarity. It's Teacup and Gold Rush. So there's 2 strategies inside of the Gold Cup, and it's one strategy. That's it. So you give this. It's really less alerts per week. You probably average 2 or 3 per day. However, the highest quality humanly possible, right? So, and they also work with the person who's doing the trading is one trader, and that's kind of a big deal, right? So for those that are in swipe trades or thinking about swipe trades, I love getting lots of swipe trades. I think that's awesome, but some people might say that's a little bit, more than I can handle. Well, the beauty about the swipe trades app is you can adjust what kind of trading you would like to do. Maybe there's a specific trader that you would like, okay? Or maybe you only want to do trading like on the London session late at night. So there's parameters inside swipe trades, and I absolutely love swipe trades. But for those that might not be their cup of tea, there is an option that might better fit. It's a little bit less hectic, and it's the highest quality of trade. So it's one person doing the trading for the teacup strategy, and one person doing the trading for gold rush strategy. Okay, so you're not going to see 10 signals, in a day. It just doesn't happen. However, the signals that you do get are of the highest quality. And I believe the last time I checked, it was like 69 and 10 or 69 and 9. So when they started this, I don't know, 5-6 weeks ago, something like 7 maybe, that's their record of win to loss trades. Now, let me get back to me. Now, if you've seen my videos and followed me on videos, right, it's about the mental approach, right? So if you have a loss, whether it's a normal trade, a swipe trade, swipe coin, gold rush, whatever the case may be, the important thing is that you have to let it go. You don't try to make it up on the next trade, okay? If somebody gives you a trade idea, one of our experts that are 6- and 7-figure earners, you got that, right? 6- and 7-figure earners, they know much more than we do, and sometimes they know much more than an experienced Forex trader who's been around for 5 years, okay? You take the trade as is. You don't try to change the risk. You don't try to change the entry price, stuff like that, okay? Now, you'll get to a point, if you're an IML member now or thinking about becoming an IMarketsLive member, that you will learn to trade, right? We are not a flash-in-the-pan company. We are here for the long term, okay? There's a couple products out there that are just, it's all smoke and mirrors, okay? It's all smoke and mirrors, okay? We are a sustainable company that continues to develop new tools, new strategies, and new education to help you trade Forex on your own, right? So what the design of the swipe trades and the swipe coin and the Gold Cup is to help you along with the education, the basics, get you inside our Markets Live, and you are able to make money. You can easily make your membership fee and a lot more using the Gold Cup. No question, okay? There's no question in my mind. With shadow, one of my comrades in our group says, without a shadow of a doubt, it's like one of his favorite lines, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? So here, it's a little less hectic, right? So you can follow the teacup, you can follow the gold rush, you get a couple trades a day, maybe a little bit more, boom, run the trade. They will teach you along the way, but they give you those signals to help you collect pips, okay? And the important thing is it's just one strategy. So it's really potentially for people that need a little bit less action, so to speak. With swipe trades, I could get 4 or 5 alerts in an hour. A lot of people love that. I mean, they just love it, all right? I love that. But also, there are just days that, let me just take a strategy. And some people have goals of 10 or 20 pips a day. That's it, okay? So if you want to make 10 or 20 pips a day, and that's it, this might be the perfect strategy for you, right? And you can do exceptionally well. Now, there's always risk. I always got to say this, okay? Past profits do not ensure future results. There is risk in trading, all right? So I got that out of the way. Let me get a drink of water here. Okay? So if you start out your account at 100, 500,000, whatever the case may be, 2 or 3 trades, oh, slam dunk. Slam dunk what your account's going to be in 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, okay? So this is something I would absolutely consider. There's also an app for it, okay, that's on your phone, and this is a picture, okay? And, of course, some of the trades are 15, 30-hour, 4-hour time frame. So support resistance level, take profit, stop loss, cross the 2 black lines, all stuff that if you're not familiar with trading at all, and you're just kind of stumbled on this video and you're interested in Forex, no worries about that kind of stuff, okay? Don't even worry about it, all right? That's what IML does. We will teach you, okay? We will teach you to make money using all kinds of strategies that we offer. This is one specific strategy that got unveiled probably 7-8 weeks ago, maybe around 2 months, 7, somewhere around there. Anyway, so now let me give you some background. This is an ad for you IML members that aren't interested in joining my team because you're already a member, okay? This is an additional product, so it doesn't come with a main membership. It doesn't come with your main membership. This is kind of one of those add-ons. that companies like to offer, okay? It's about 20 bucks a month. That's it. So guess what? You take 2 trades and you started your account with 100 bucks or 250 bucks and you got 2 successful trades for the day, you've got your fee paid. You've got your Gold Cup fee paid, okay? So I highly recommend it. We have a lot of things going on in our group. We're focused on a couple different strategies at IMarketsLive, and this is one of them, okay? Now here is the beauty. If you are not part of our team at this moment, okay, you want to get on board right now. Right now. 2 reasons. One, the obvious. Do you want to change your life? Do you want to make some money? Okay, or do you want to sit back and watch a bunch of videos and go on Facebook and say, give me info, give me info, give me info, give me info, and never take action? Okay? Or do you want to take action and get on our specific team? Do you know why you want to be on our specific team? 2 reasons again. 1, we have the #1 team in the company. It's hands down. It's not even close. Okay? Not even close. Not fluff, no nonsense, no crapola. It's the facts. Okay? Number 2, the educator who developed this strategy, Teacup and Gold Rush, hey, guess what? He's coming into our group, our Facebook group, this Friday. Today is Tuesday? Monday. Man, my goodness, my days are flying. Today's Monday. He's coming into our group for our Forex Friday. So any of the members that are inside of our group, maybe they're playing with it, maybe they're doing great with it, blah, 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 you can ask all the questions that you want to ask. See? So you get trade ideas to make pips, right? And then you get the education part of it to learn, why did we take this trade? How does the chart look like as to why we want to take this trade? Okay? So you want to get on board our team ASAP if this is something that interests you, okay? I get this all the time. I get a couple emails every day. Hey, can I get on board your team if you're an iMarket, if I'm already an IMarketsLive member? Unfortunately, I'm sorry, you can't. You have a sponsor. Maybe they have a team. I would ask questions. I'm always willing to ask a question or two, but I am dedicated to helping our team members be successful, okay? So if you are not a member of IMarketsLive, okay, then you want to get to me ASAP and get inside and become friends with me on Facebook and get inside of our group, okay? That's for potential customers, okay? Once you're a potential customer, we shift you to our customer group this Friday, Forex Friday, okay? The owner, the one who developed the strategy for the Gold Rush, the Teacup, will be in our group answering questions on a live webinar, okay? Can't beat that. Can't beat that one-on-one. That's why we're the #1 team in the group. We get the big boys to come in and help our members, okay? If you see this video after, oh, man, I wanted to join IMarketsLive through you, Jeff, and I wanted to do it so I could see that video. No worries. You come on board. All the videos of all of our webinars are in our Facebook group. So you're not only getting a great membership with IMarketsLive and all the training and tools and techniques and strategies, you are getting all the stuff that we have created, okay, to help you even further make money in trading Forex. Can't beat it. That's all the time I got for you. All right? If you're not ready, unwilling to join right now, let me think about it. Got my newsletter down here. Okay, subscribe. You can still get into our prospect group, even if you don't want to make a decision for 2 months from now. Okay? Reach me on Facebook. That's how you got to reach me. Okay? If you like the content of this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. Didn't like it? Give me a thumbs down. If you got some feedback, hey, or questions, throw them down in the comment section. Okay? Subscribe to the channels right down here. More videos coming of quality education to inspire, to motivate for you to change your life. That's it for today. Take care, everybody.